How can lying on a spiky bed of nails help you relax?
That's exactly what I was thinking until a few years ago. You can watch this video to find out. Ich bin Stephanos.
Ich bin Glynn und wir sind die Gründer von ShaktiMat. Leider sprechen wir kein Deutsch.
Aber wir wollen euch gerne ShaktiMat präsentieren.
Also schalten wir jetzt auf Englisch um. Together we were backpacking through India, Cambodia, Nepal, Thailand for 4 years, and on the way we discovered the ShaktiMat.
And the first time I used the ShaktiMat, I was completely fascinated by it. Of course, it prickles in the beginning, but after a while you get this amazing feeling of relaxation.
The pressure of the spikes on the skin releases endorphins and oxytocin into the body. These are also known as the happiness hormones. So after some minutes of laying on the mat, you start to really kick back and feel relaxed.
And of course, the ShaktiMat does much more than that. The fine tips increase the blood circulation, and that enables to release stubborn tensions in the body.
And also, we've had thousands of our customers writing back to us, telling us how the ShaktiMat has helped them a lot with their back pain issues. You can read everything that they're saying on our website.
Since the day we started with ShaktiMat, it has been especially important to us to make the product as ethical and sustainable as possible.
The ShaktiMat is 100% handmade in our female-only factory in Varanasi, India, where we only employ women. And this is so that we can support them to become self-sufficient and financially independent.
And with each ShaktiMat, you don't only bring relaxation and pain relief in your life, you also contribute to our social impact, especially around female empowerment in India.
So get your ShaktiMat now and start experiencing the many benefits of acupressure.
Sometimes some of our customers ask us if the ShaktiMat is at all dangerous or if it hurts.
To be clear, the ShaktiMat's not dangerous at all. Acupressure is an ancient healing technique that is thousands of years old and can bring many health benefits to the body.
Even though it prickles a little bit in the beginning, after a while you start to see the benefits of the ShaktiMat. And for people with more sensitive skins, we have the ShaktiMat Light, which you can use on more tender parts of your body, like the chest or the belly.
You can also begin by using the mat on a sofa or a bed or wearing a thin t-shirt to allow time for the body to adjust to using the ShaktiMat on bare skin. So basically the ShaktiMat is suitable for everybody.
The ShaktiMat relaxes over 250,000 people in Germany already, and it has received over 7,000 5-star reviews so far.
In fact, we're so convinced that the ShaktiMat can help you that you can test drive it for 60 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, you can return it.
And to summarize, you take zero risk, you reap all the benefits of acupressure through the ShaktiMat by bringing pain relief and relaxation into your life, and at the same time you get to support our craftswomen in India.
So discover acupressure for yourself on shaktimat.de.
And cut.
How do you think that went?
I need to lay down on the ShaktiMat.
Yeah, me too.